We're just going to gently connect with nature, as we know that nature has health benefits to your well-being. We know that nature strengthens our immune system, releases anxiety, and helps lift our moods. So let's just take our attention within now, focusing on your breath as you breathe in and breathe out. And maybe ask yourself a question: what do I need today? What do I need today? Maybe place your hands over your heart and really connect in. This is a time now to connect into our body, mind and spirit. Letting go of the routine and the mundane feeling, just allowing ourselves to be out in nature. Just take a moment now and check in with your body. If there's any tension, just let it go. Maybe drop your shoulders. Maybe allow your spine to strengthen and feel yourself upright and strong. Maybe look up at the sky and see the clouds or the sun, or maybe it's a fresh day. And start to be really mindful of your surroundings. Be aware of the ground. Be aware of the birds and the nature. Maybe there's some water. Maybe you're in the trees, in the forest. Just open up your senses now and allow yourself to absorb. Feel it cleansing and nurturing. And just allow yourself to be aware of all of your surroundings. And continue your walk. And then at the end of your walk, notice how you feel, where you're at, and if you feel any different, just be.